Hello everybody, I'm Zach. Many of you may know what Cat Reman is. Caterpillar's line of remanufactured engines and components. You're probably aware that they're designed, restored, and tested to perform like new. And maybe you've heard that you can get Cat Reman products for a fraction of new price when you return your used part or core. But do you really know what Cat Reman can do for you? Let's put an end to some misconceptions about these parts. Take it away, Bo.
Thanks, Zach. Maybe you're considering Cat Reman for the cost savings, but it's a myth to think that Cat Reman products are only here to save you money and not time. You see, Cat Reman parts are drop-in solutions for your equipment. They're assembled, packaged, and ready to install, reducing your repair time to get you back up and running as soon as possible. After you return your used part, you're not only saving money thanks to the core deposit refund you get from your dealer, you're also saving time because the Cat Reman product comes fully assembled with no need for rebuilding. By salvaging and remanufacturing it through our state-of-the-art process, we've done the hard part for you. Now the component just needs to be installed. So the proof is with the Cat Reman part and its like-new quality, performance, and convenience. For example, by using a Cat Reman hydraulic cylinder group, you can save up to 65% of your repair time when compared to the rebuilding of that same cylinder group. We test hydraulic parts like these to meet ISO cleanliness standards so they can easily integrate into your equipment. Likewise, all other Cat Reman components are assembled and tested in their appropriate manufacturing environments. This eliminates the need for customers to rebuild and test the parts, saving them both repair time and testing time. Back to you, Zach.
Thanks, Bo. If you want to know more about Cat Reman, reach out to your local authorized cat dealer and check out cat.com/Reman for the latest details about our products. We'll see you next time.